Python programming language has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the Python data structure set. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring a super useful data structure in Python, the set. If you've ever wanted to store unique values or do things like unions, intersections, or removing duplicates, sets are your new best friend. Let's check out what they're all about. A set in Python is an unordered collection of unique elements. It's kind of like a list, but with the no duplicates and no guaranteed order. As you can see, sets are defined using curly braces or by using the set function. Sets are built on hash tables, which means the elements are unordered, the items must be hashable, so you can't have lists or dictionaries inside a set. Lookup, insertion, and deletion are super fast, often faster than lists. Also important, sets are mutable, but their elements must be immutable. This means you can change, add or remove items in a set, but the items themselves must be of types that cannot be changed, like numbers or strings. Sets are perfect when you want to store only unique items, you need to check for membership quickly, you want to remove duplicates from a list, or you want to do set theory operations like union, intersection, or difference. In short, sets are your go-to for any situation involving distinct elements. Here are some quick but important facts about set. Sets automatically eliminate duplicates. Sets are unordered, no indexing. Sets support math-style operations like union, intersection, and difference. You can't have lists or other sets inside a set. There's a special type called frozen set, which is an immutable set. We'll see that in another video. Let's check out a few quick examples to see sets in action. You can create a set using the curly braces. Here, we created a set called colors. Notice how the duplicate entry for red was reduced to a single entry in the set. Sets have methods that make it easy to work with the set elements. In this example, we use the add method to add yellow to the list. Then we use the remove method to take away green. It's very easy to check if a set contains a particular element. Here, using the keyword in allows us to check if a value is an element of the set. Set also lets us efficiently remove duplicates from a list. Note in this example, duplicates for 2 and 4 have been removed. You can also perform the usual set functions on Python sets. Here, we use union to combine the sets. Notice no duplicates. We use intersection to retrieve any elements that are in both sets. And we use difference to retrieve the items in set A that are not also in set B. Note how the order is important here in setting up that line of code. As you can see, sets are simple but powerful, especially when working with large data sets or when duplicates are a problem. So, that's a quick intro to Python's set data structure. Whether you're cleaning up data, filtering duplicates, or doing logic operations, sets are a tool you'll want to have in your Python toolbox. If you learned something new today, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more Python content, and let us know in the comments how you use sets in your code. Until next time, happy coding!